Thank you for watching, liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing right now.
Hey guys, this is Kelly, and I'm here at South by Southwest, sponsored by Weatherbug. And I'm here with Dave from HootSuite. And how are you liking South by Southwest?
You know, it's my 5th year, and I feel a little bit more professional, a little bit more polished, a little bit more prepared, and I'm having a great time so far.
How many beers are you on?
No comment.
Fair enough.
Let's just say I haven't purchased any beers.
Hey, nice work. How are things going at HootSuite? What are you guys up to?
Well, we had a couple of huge announcements this week leading up to South by, where we released a bunch of analytics and reports tools called social analytics. And we're really excited because in our industry, on one end, there's all these companies that analyze this social stuff. On the other end, there's companies that help you broadcast stuff. Now we're really covering that whole spectrum. Plus, we just released updates to all our 4 mobile platforms. So there's a lot going on. We're adding tons of users and growing huge internationally. So we're having a lot of fun with it.
That's awesome. Now, HootSuite has become a great way to communicate information and share breaking news. There was a huge earthquake in Japan today. How was HootSuite used to communicate and share that breaking news with friends and family?
Well, you know, to be honest, I haven't seen a lot of it, but what I do know is we have a huge user community in Japan. And HootSuite is great for doing this kind of emergency awareness, but really when I think about Japan, it still has just happened, so my heart just goes out to the people who are affected by it. But I suspect, like some of these other world events we've seen recently, like Libya and Egypt, where people, rely on these social media tools to get their message out, whether it's to be organizing rallies, communicating with loved ones, or whatever. So it's really, for us, it's a real joy to see the software that we're making there in Vancouver used in all these world-changing situations.
That's awesome. And another great thing about HootSuite is you actually withstood those revolts. You could actually access HootSuite when other websites went down.
Yeah, it was a little bit of a surprise for us when we went into work one day and Twitter and Facebook had been shut down in Egypt, but HootSuite was still up. And so the word spread quickly that you could still get messages out through HootSuite. So we had this epic growth for 36 hours in Egypt. We were like the voice of freedom in Egypt. And but again, you know, your heart goes out to those people who were there on the ground. I can't imagine being out there. I mean, it's crazy enough trying to communicate where you're at a conference like this with lots of people around, but imagine this, but people shooting guns, throwing rocks, and you know, it's unbelievable to see how people are able to adapt and use social media in these really critical, difficult times.
That's awesome. Well, thanks for taking time to talk to me, and have a great time at South by Southwest. Enjoy your beer. Thanks.
And the lucky folks, they get one of these Hoot kits that in here, they get their limited edition South by Southwest tattoo. Enjoy.